Hi guys, it's Lexi, and today my fidget spinner came in the mail. I kept trying to open it, and I realized I have to do a YouTube video. So let's open this. Is it the fidget spinner? I'm kind of disappointed. It wasn't supposed to look like this. It's supposed to be pink. Oh, on camera it looks good. And yes, spins nicely. It's basically, I thought it was going to look better, but it didn't really. It's more purple than pink than I hoped, but that's okay. And my other one has not came yet. But my other one will be exactly like this. Will probably be coming like 2 days, I'm guessing, or tomorrow. And it's very nice. Feels kind of like weird, though. But it came nicely, beautifully packaged. Not beautifully packaged, but came through. Yeah, just came in this little thing. And this little thing came in this trash. And it came to So I'm really happy with what I got. I just wasn't fully expecting. It smells weird. But that's what it looks like. So I will make another video when that comes. And there's a secret video that I am filming on my phone, so it will be a lot nicer look to it, and because it's the best video I'm going to publish. So bye.